Hi everyone and welcome to today's session on Billie Assist. So what is Billie Assist? Billie Assist helps agency accounts teams process supplier and creditor invoices more efficiently. There is 3 options on how to use Billie Assist. The first option is a Billie Assist email inbox. Suppliers can send invoices directly to the dedicated Billie Assist email address where they are automatically uploaded for review. The second option is the manual upload and auto extract. Your team manually uploads the invoice as a PDF and then Billie Assist automatically reads and pre-fills the bill details. The third option is the manual upload and manual entry. Your team uploads the invoices and manually enters all the bills and there's no extraction fees. Option 1 is the Billie Assist email inbox. So if you go to your Billie Assist tab, you can see your unique email address for your office. Copy and paste this, and then you can share this email address with your owners, strata companies, tradespeople, utility providers, and other creditors. They can then send the PDF invoices directly to this inbox. But please note that other file types other than PDF are not accepted. Once the invoices are sent to this Billie Assist inbox, they will automatically appear in the Processing tab while the system reads and extracts the information. Once the processing is complete, the invoice will move in the Ready to Review tab. So as you can see, we've got some invoices that have come through to this inbox. So if you click on the Ready to Review, you then scroll across, and then in here you can go through and check the address, the tax category, the supplier name, the invoice amount, the description, the due date, and the reference details are all input into the system. So what you need to do then is confirm and schedule the payment. So go through, review all of the information, make any changes that are required, and then schedule the bill for payment. A helpful tip, if your agency already receives invoices via an email, just set up an auto forward on that email to your Billie Assist email address, and that'll streamline the process for you. Option 2 is the manual upload and auto extract. So go to your Billie Assist, add a task, upload and auto extract. You can then select the bills that you want, drag them and drop them in. Then you'll go through and you'll be prompted to confirm if you wish to proceed, and this includes the acknowledgement of any application processing fees. Once confirmed, the invoices will move from the Processing tab while Billie Assist reads and extracts the information. Once processing is complete, the invoices will automatically move to the Ready to Review tab. So to review the invoices, click on one of the invoices and you can scroll down. You can see it's auto-populated the property address, who it's assigned to, the maintenance category. It's picked up if there's any other invoices that are similar to this one to reduce error of duplicates. You can also see the title, the description, the due date is entered, how much it is. You just need to select who's paying, who to, and the payment reference has been also included in there. Once you've done this, you'll save and you'll schedule the payment. The third and final option is the manual entry and upload feature. So you'll come in here, you'll go add a bill, upload a bill, select the bills that you want to pull through. They will then come in and they'll come straight into Ready to Review. You'll then click on each one and then you'll manually select the property, assigned to, tax category, title, and all of the fields through here. And once you've checked it, confirmed it, you'll then save and schedule the payment. As you can see, there are the 3 tabs here. So there's another tab called Needs Action. So that means if the extraction has failed. So in some cases, Billie Assist may not be able to successfully extract the data from an invoice. So this can happen if there's a poor scan quality, there's missing information, or it's unclear formatting. So what will happen then is the invoices will go into the Need Action tab, and this will indicate that the system was unable to auto-extract the invoice details. So no extraction fee is charged for these invoices. Manual review and entry is required before processing can continue. So to do this, you need to go to your Need Action tab, select the invoices, and then manually complete the invoice details. Then once everything has been reviewed, review and proceed and schedule the payment as normal. So how much is it going to cost to use Billie Assist? Billie Assist is chargeable on options 1 and 2. So for the Billie Assist email inbox or the manual upload and auto extract, the cost is 15 cents per page. So a 1-page invoice would be 15 cents. If it was a 4-page invoice, it would be 60 cents. The fee applies per page processed through the extraction system. So all Billie Assist extraction fees are charged alongside your standard subscription fee at the end of the month as part of your normal billing cycle. So how can you see what you are charged? So on your homepage, you can see here your current billing cycle. You can see the amount of pages that you've scanned, your current costs, and your projected costs here on the right. So you can always see what it's costing you and what your estimated cost is for the month. So with all AI, it learns as it goes. So the more that you use Billie Assist, the more it learns. It becomes better at recognizing your patterns, your suppliers, your property levels, the details. So it will help reduce your manual entry and speeding up your future processing. So please begin to use Billie Assist. And if you need any assistance, please reach out. Thanks. Bye.